Bitcoin is going to hit $46,000 by the 2024 halving. An interview with this guy here. So what do you guys think? Do you think Bitcoin can hit $46,000 by the time of the next halving? I certainly think that it is possible, but it depends on a few things here. What it really depends on is these Bitcoin spot ETF approvals. If that happens, I think we will easily reach this particular price target. Also, the stock market needs to bottom out and start heading up in a bullish way. That's going to have a huge impact on Bitcoin. And also the Fed's monetary policy. If they start cutting rates next year, if they start pausing soon here, it's going to have a very bullish effect on cryptos and the stock market. So if any of those factors happen, I think that with just one of those factors out of the three that I mentioned, that we could certainly see the $46,000 price target. And then we have the Bitcoin halving next year. The Bitcoin halving is when the Bitcoin supply is reduced every 4 years. So the mining rewards are reduced in half, which reduces the supply. While there's increased demand by all these institutions, it pushes up the price rapidly and causes these bull markets and these bull runs. So the halving alone, typically in those previous years, were very bullish events for crypto. It's still going to be a bullish event, but we're in a different type of monetary cycle now, where we're entering into a recession. So I'm not sure how bullish of a fact that the halving is going to have immediately on the price of Bitcoin, but typically we don't see all-time highs of 6 months or even a year after the halving for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. But maybe the halving is enough to bring Bitcoin to $46,000. But most importantly, let's just go ahead and take a look at the price of Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing right now? Well, Bitcoin is consolidating right now in a very tight, boring range. Let me come to the range here. Bitcoin is consolidating in every single bullish event, every single pump gets rejected and heads down. So keeping an eye on that, we see the ALGOSNIPER bands from the ALGOSNIPER trading indicator are very red, and the price is holding very strongly under the daily time frame under these bands. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can still see that the price is holding under the bands and the bands are red. So we are not really going to be seeing a reversal typically at these levels. It is possible because if I take off the indicator, what we can see is that Bitcoin, yes, it is in this strong range here. This could be looked at as a bear flag, of course. But most importantly, what happens in this range is going to determine everything. If Bitcoin breaks above this level and holds, we could get a move up. If we start breaking under this level and holding this support, under the support, we're going to get a move down. And it's just going to be chopping in this range here for quite some time until Bitcoin can get a real breakout, whether to the upside or to the downside in this range. So I'm patiently waiting for this as a trader. Any type of tag of this resistance and back under, I will be shorting, and any type of tag of this break of support and back above, I'm going to be longing. That's how I'm looking to trade Bitcoin, and that's what Bitcoin is looking like right now. But make sure you guys are using ALGOSNIPER, this thing called the very top of Bitcoin, for this entire year. At the very top, look, it gave us a sell alert. You could have used this sell alert, sold Bitcoin at the top, bought at 25,000, and get yourself free Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies by using this indicator. You can try today at 30 days risk-free or your money back at algosniper.com. If you also want to partake in my signals, I'm posting profitable signals for cryptocurrencies, even in these choppy markets every single week. Guaranteed you can have access to that by joining the Patreon. Check out all the links in my video description to help you make money. I have a free trading community, the Telegram. Join that, talk to me and my community members, ask about the signals, ask about ALGOSNIPER. But that's going to be it for the video. So if you got something out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.